At this year's CES, there was a lot of great technology, and one of the coolest demos I had a chance to try was the SenseGlove Nova. These are wireless haptic force feedback gloves that work with PCVR and standalone headsets like Quest 2, Pico Neo, and Vive Focus. SenseGlove Nova uses passive force feedback, which means that instead of fingers being actively pulled back, they are stopped from moving forward once the collision in a virtual environment is detected. This is done by electromagnetic stops that can hold up to 20 newtons of force per finger. For control, they use motion tracking with sensor-based finger tracking, as well as computer vision and hand tracking algorithms. However, this is limited to the headsets that allow front camera access, like Pico Neo. The vibrotactile feedback is achieved by LRA motors that are mounted on index finger and thumb. Main body uses voice coil actuator that provides stronger feedback that can also be calibrated to match vibrations from a sound recording. Battery life is rated around 2 hours for medium use and at least 1 hour for heavy use, with gloves running at their maximum capacity for force feedback and vibrotactile feedback. The gloves are easy to put on, and Velcro straps allow users to adjust the fit as needed. The fabric is removable and washable. This process is also fast and easy. SenseGlove connects to the headset over Bluetooth. For a headset like Quest 2, you simply go to Settings, Experimental Features, and pair the gloves with the headset. On Quest 2, the motion tracking requires controllers to be mounted on top of the gloves. HTC Vive and Valve Index requires Vive trackers to be mounted. The demo that I tried was robot assembly, in which I was tasked with attaching various parts to the robot's body and using power tools to tighten them down. At the beginning of the experience, the gloves had to be calibrated. The process was quick and straightforward. After a few hand gestures, like making a fist and showing thumbs up, the calibration was completed and finger tracking was good to go. SenseGloves allowed me to feel shape and density of a virtual object. Even little things like crushing a soda can feel incredibly real. Demo kept surprising me with how real the objects felt. Even a sponge had a soft, squishy feel. But the highlight of the demo was the drill. As I picked it up, I could feel it shake. And to my surprise, the vibrotactile feedback felt so real. I felt the vibration from the drill in my index finger and my thumb. The voice coil actuator inside the main body gave the sensation of the drills actually working. As amazing as this experience was, it does not come cheap. A pair of SenseGlove Novas will set you back $5,000. As this product is made for industries and training, there are no games at the moment that would support it. But as we all know, today's business technology will be tomorrow's consumer product. As with all things hardware, the price improves as technology matures and the quantities increase. Currently, SenseGlove has no plans on entering the consumer market, but the CEO has made a comment that as they scale the production, the product might hit a price point that would be more comfortable for the consumer market. But for now, it might be a good idea to try to make your own force feedback glove. I'll be linking the DIY video in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think about force feedback. Is this something you would like to use in a game or some sort of an experience?